Hello everybody. I've started doing my Christmas shopping, Christmas food shopping. So I just thought I'd show you. Let me know what you think of this, whether you think this is a rip-off. I've only started doing bits. I just want to start getting stuff in, so you can go in one lump sum and paying it all. So let me show you, and then you let me know whether you think it's a rip-off or not. Right, I'm up the table. I've set it all up the table. Let me show you first, before I show you tell you how much it costs. I've got a couple of gatos, there and there. I've got some frozen cakes. I say I've only just started, I'm only doing bits and bobs. I've got some cheesecakes, a couple of cheesecakes. Some of them, I've never tried them before. Gingerbread and butterscotch pudding, and I've also got a millionaire one. I've never tried them ones. I've got 4 packs of sweets, obviously Roses, Celebrations, Heroes, Quality Streets. A couple of crackers. So I've got to get all my crackers and all my proper biscuits and everything yet. And all my condiments, but I thought I'd start. Got some Victoria biscuits. I've got some, where is it, you can see, extremely chocolatey biscuits. I've got a Yule cake there, some nuts, walnuts, Brazil nuts, salted nuts, roasted nuts. What's this here? Have a look. Caramel biscuit gateau bars. What's this one? Whoops. Chocolate orange gateau bars. Mince pies. Some pretzels, 2 lots of pretzels. Oh, panettone as well. Now the whole lot. I went to Tesco's and to Aldi. I did go to Lidl. I went to Lidl and then I went to B&M and then I went to the food warehouse. The food warehouse, I was quite disappointed, to be honest with you. They had one frozen freezer for the cakes. Now I don't know whether they were just emptying ready to put more in or what, but that's all they had in. Lidl had hardly anything, but I was filling shelves up as I was going around, so maybe, you know, they're filling up as they go. B&M, I didn't find it very helpful at all, so I ended up going back, because I wanted to shop at Lidl this year for Christmas, for a change, but I ended up going back to the originals, because they had nothing in. So the whole lot come to £78 and 10 pence, I think. £78 and 15 pence. Now I think that's quite expensive for what I've got. I'll show you the receipts. There's a Tesco one, if you can see it. That comes to £33 and 10p. That's what I've got. And this is the Aldi one. Come to £45. If you can see it properly. It's a bit scrunched up. So I did check all the dates on everything. Everything's alright. I mean, the cakes are frozen anyway. But the other stuff I've checked the dates on, because I know a lot of it's short dated up till Christmas. Yeah, let me know what you think. I think it's quite expensive, but prices have gone up, ain't they? Got to get all my condiments, all my pickle and beetroot and all that yet. I've got to get some more biscuits. We have loads of cakes. I haven't bought any Christmas pudding, because we don't really eat Christmas pudding in this house. Don't like it. I've got to get my creams and everything else and all that. But I thought I'd do a bit at a time. But I don't know. I thought it was quite expensive for what I've got. But that's it, innit? Let me know what you think, or where you shop. I might do, actually I could do it on this video, couldn't I? I'm not really doing the cooking today, because we've been out half the morning, I'm knackered. I might just do, I think I've got a pizza in the oven, in the thing. Let me have a look. Yeah, I think I'll do one of them. Chicken and mango. What's the time now? Yeah. We'll get that in the oven and have a crack. Right, so there it is, guys. It's I haven't got none of my stuff out, so I'm just on the side. I haven't got my tripods out and my lights. I don't know what the lighting's going to be like. So it's just a flatbread, stone-baked chicken and mango pizza. I think this was £1.79, I think, from Aldi. I think. There's the calories. Half a pizza is 423, is that, I think? I can read that right. Stone-baked chicken and mango. Thin and crispy flatbread, topped with chicken, red and yellow peppers, red onions and mango chutney sauce. Carlos. 14 to 16 minutes. There's all the ingredients. Have yourself a pause and do what you do. There's the nutrition. Simple enough. Let's open it up. Actually, I can't remember if I've ever had one of these ones before. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have one now, ain't I? Let's open it. So, there we go. Don't look too bad, actually. So quite a lot of filling on it. Right, I'll get that in the oven then for 14 to 16 minutes. And then I'll have a little taste of it. Right, it's ready. I'm going to get it out. Looks nice. Smells nice. There it is. Hot, hot, hot. What do we think? It's quite nice, doesn't it? I'll let it cool down a second. Cut it up in half first, then I'll let it cool down a second. Nice little crunch. There we go. Right, we'll have a taste test. There it is. First impressions, it don't look bad, does it? £1.75, I think it was, 79, something like that anyway. Got some nice cheese on it, look. Mmm. Okay. Yeah, I quite like that. Dog's here smelling food, look. What can I taste in there? Red onion, I can definitely taste the red onion. A little bit of mango, can't taste loads of it. But I've only had one little bite. Yeah, I can now. It's not overpowering, but I can taste it. And I can taste the peppers as well. I can't taste a lot of chicken. Let me grab a bit of chicken off it. There's only little bits of chicken, isn't there? Okay, Rob. Eating, looking for bits. Looking for bits, the dog is. Yeah, that's quite nice. Chicken's a bit bland. I suppose going all together. Nice bit of sauce on there. Bit of chilli sauce on top. It'd be well away. 175, 179. Would I buy it again? Yeah, I probably would. Yeah, I probably would. Yeah, I think I'll buy some of them for the World Cup. Get in, stick in there. Job's a good one. I'm sweating now. Anyway, as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, let me know about that stuff there. Got my mouth full up. Whether you think it's expensive or not, I think it's quite expensive, but it's Christmas, isn't it? Christmas stuff, it always is. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, before I go, don't forget, I'm going to be doing that live tomorrow. Probably about 1 o'clock-ish, something like that. I've just been looking through a few comments. Some says not as hot as you think. Some say they are quite hot. So I don't know. We'll have a crack anyway. I reckoned it was little chocolate bottles with a sauce in, but Anne that reckons it's Sassasia sauce. I'm not sure what it is, but I found it tomorrow about 1 o'clock. See you later.